Very nice.
Can I buy one? Mom might not let us. Can you buy one?
I don't know. We might. We'll see. Not late. Not right now. No.
We have a shed.
All right, go. Oh, dude. Makes me nervous.